with your new drone. Woo! Woo! Whoop! Whoop! Don't break your stuff. Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that want to get their drone up and running after putting a new flight controller in, or maybe you flashed it and things aren't going the way you want them to go. Maybe it's pushing all the way down and it's flipping. Without any further ado, let's get started so we can get you up and running in no time. The motors are correct, as you can see here, go in the same direction, which we managed to fix. We've got it working, but now it's sucking and pushing down on the ground, and we want to create that lift. We've launched Betaflight, see, and then I can't find my USB. There it is, paired, and we connect. Now we're going to connect again. So we're connected, as you can see, up is up. Make sure this way is this way, that way is that way, and that way is that way. If it doesn't, recalibrate it, or like I said in the beginning, we took a screenshot of the configuration because the online version doesn't have like second gyro accel and all that other fun stuff, but we know that for this drone, I don't know about the other drones, this drone is counter, this is clockwise 270 flip. We knew that, but it's still not pushing the motors. You cannot, why I don't know, reprogram the motors using Betaflight, so we have to use the ESC Configurator, but make sure everything is correct. Betaflight is quit because we're going to use the ESC Configurator, which also requires a USB connection, and you can't have two connections at the same time. And press enter, and here it is. It should work. Click connect. Now in order to get the magic going, you're going to have to put a battery in. 2S, 3S, doesn't matter because we're not going to need that much energy. We just need enough to get the magic going. And then we put this in like this. Wait for it. That's like that. And you're going to click here, read. Okay. And wait for it. And there we go. So I already programmed it. ESC1 is normal. ESC2 is reversed, ESC3 is reversed, and ESC4 is normal for this drone. As long as you do that, you are golden. And then what you do is, and make sure this is correct too. See how the kilohertz, I have another video that shows you how to screw it up, but don't do it because it's not going to work anyway. And then you click right settings. As soon as you click right settings, you're done. And then you just disconnect and you are golden. And see, the drone will reboot and refresh itself, and this battery is done. We can get this ready. Now we can pull this out if you did everything correctly. Carefully, we don't want to break it like we did before. Let me have a look. Look at that. I'm thinking of putting a little pad there so when I crash land, it just doesn't hit the bottom because it does bend. All right, so knowing that, moving forward, don't plug the battery in yet. Get your goggles and all that other fun stuff. We will get this right here. So turn on your RC controller. Wear it in case you need to, need your hands. Turn on this so that by the time we get that sunk and going, it's not time to land because it will drain the battery fast. Off our glasses. How do they not know that Clark Kent was Superman? Can't make this stuff up. If we put this in here, by the time we get this thing on, it should go beep beep. That should give me, see? There we go. And to know it's working, if we go here, lights on, that's buzzer, lights on, lights off, and our buzzer is right there. See? And then, but you're not going to hear that in a loud area. Make sure that you are in angle mode. Acro does not do well inside. Crash flip, just backspace. And we got these settings from FPV Unknown, one of our viewers / subscribers, which is great. Sweet. With your new drone. Woo! Woo! Whoa, how's that? Whoop. 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 Don't break your stuff. Well, we know it works. It's hard to look at you and that at the same time. That's probably why you want to stay focused in the goggles so you're not like, whoa, what's that? What's that? You can just fly. All right, let's try that again. Ah, there we go. We did it. Kind of neat, huh? As easy as 1, 2, 3. Why the version in Betaflight doesn't work, but you know, it does work with the ESC Configurator, and that's for these particular drones with the props like this that are, you know, you have your little guard thing around the end, and it'll just create that lift and put the rotation the way it's supposed to, and the rest is on you. Hopefully you don't crash moving forward, and you're able to develop your skill and flying ability when moving forward. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.